welcome back to my channel. My name is Marina and I make cooking and baking videos. Today I'm making apple pie. We had a bunch of apples just lying around, so I decided to make apple pie with them. We didn't have the right apples for apple pie, but they will do. I just added lemon juice to make up for the tartness. I believe these are like actually don't remember the name of these apples, but I just chose 6 apples, 3 of the green ones and 3 of the red ones. But if you want to make apple pie, I would suggest using Granny Smith apples because of the tartness, and you kind of want your pie to be sour. So yeah. So I followed a recipe on how to make this, and to be honest, she didn't give really good instructions. So by the time I was done making this, my sugar was still crystallized, and I had to add more water. So I'll probably add a half cup of water to this, and make sure you cook it until the sugar is completely dissolved and is no longer like kind of crystally. So yeah, that's how you want to make that sauce. This is me adding the first layer of pie crust. Honestly, this pie crust is not that good, so next time I'll probably make my own pie crust. It was pretty mid, but yeah, just spreading this out on the pan. Um, and this is the other piece of pie crust, which is gonna go on the top. You want to take these out of the freezer and have them thaw out. I'm just unrolling it. This is what it. There are two comes in the box. I wouldn't suggest buying it. Then I'm slicing it so that I can have that, apple pie signature look. Put all the apples in the center like this. Pat it down. Then I'm gonna just put 3 down the middle, and then I had to cut out a bunch of this because my arms were showing. So y'all gonna just see the end. And if you still don't know how to do it, just Google it. I can't even really explain it. Kind of just have to do it. So that one and that one. Then you lay that down. Then you put those back. And then when you want to do another one, you do the opposite ones. And then you put one there. And then you put that down. Okay. Pretty simple. Then I'm just squeezing the dough around the edges. This is what it's going to look like. Bake it at 350. I just put 30 minutes, but I don't even remember how long it was baking. It was just baking. Yeah, it's ready. I would have brushed the top with egg and milk or whatever so that it could be golden. But nobody has time to be wasting eggs. This is me eating it with some ice cream